just can't. I'm the reverse Nike sign today. I just can't do it. My name is Rajashri Bharti. Today's video is going to be quite an adventure for you to watch, and it's definitely an adventure for me to do. I ordered 10 pairs of heels from Ajio. I know I went a little extra, but I wanted to make this video fun and also helpful for the different types of viewers with different choices that watch my video, and all of these are affordable. I don't think I've paid more than 720 rupees for any item at all, and these are very good quality, so for the price they are totally justified. I hope you have a good time watching this. Let's dive into the haul. When I think of high heels, the first picture that comes into my mind is a pair of black high heels. मुझे लगता है कि black heels are like the Parle G of heels. So the first pair of heels that I have is from Outright. I paid 665 rupees for it. Size 39 में मैंने order किया. These are the shoes that I got.
The USP of these heels is of course the material, the reptilian texture that the heels have, also the slight cut out at the inner sides of the heels.
If you go to the malls or anywhere outside to buy these, you'll easily have to pay 2000 rupees for something of this sort in this quality. So for 665, this is a total yes in terms of quality. About the comfort level, I am somebody whose feet are very widely set. Okay, my feet are very wide, so it gets a little uncomfortable for me to wear anything that is narrow at the toes section. For people who have regular, normal shaped feet, it's not going to be a big deal comfort wise. The next pair of shoes I think are the most hot and happening in the entire lot today. It's from MFT Couture. Couture is a word जिसको pronounce मैं भले कितनी बार कर चुकी हूँ in the past. Every time I have to pronounce it, I have to first Google the pronunciation. I just don't know why. My brain gets very insecure while pronouncing this word. Moving on. The heels that I have are these. Look at these beauties.
With the nude color, the high heel and the tie-ups, this is something that just looks exquisite. As per the reference image, you were supposed to leave the tie-ups at your ankle length, but I played around a little bit, crossed them again and tied them a little above my ankle length. You could wear it in whatever manner you like.
I was honestly a little surprised to see the price of these. I just paid 515 rupees for it during the sale. The heel, it's a proper pencil heel, and after wearing it I realized that pencil heels are not meant for me. I cannot carry pencil heels, so you'll have to have a very good skill set to be able to carry these. I certainly cannot carry pencil heels because of the way my feet are, and I'm just not skilled enough. I don't know how people do it. So this was a little uncomfortable for me. Also इसका size मुझे थोड़ा सा tight हो रहा है. The same brand size 40 में मैंने एक और pair of shoes मंगाया. बहुत मुझे ज़्यादा comfortable आ रहा है. So I think size 40 would have been a little easier. But if you're somebody who can carry pencil heels, then you can totally vouch for this. This is like so beautiful. I'm running out of words. When you wear it, it looks so beautiful. Just gonna stand out. It's a nude, so you can pair it with anything and everything. To balance out the situation a little bit, the next pair of shoes are block heels. I'm honestly grateful to whoever invented block heels. They just make it possible for people like us to be able to wear heels. A beautiful dusty pink color. It's so beautiful. It's one of my favorite shades of pink.
This is something which looks so classy and so elegant, but at the same time it is so comfortable to wear. It's one of the most comfortable pairs that I have in the haul today. Also, this is so versatile. The quality is so good, totally worth the price. You can wear this casually on the daily basis. You can wear it to work formally or even with your ethnic wear. And if you style it up a little bit, you can totally wear this to parties and for festivities, since the heel height is neither too long nor too short. So for the price, it's a total steal.
I paid 701 rupees for it and I ordered size 39. मुझे size perfect आ रहा है. For the price, this is definitely worth it because it's something that you can wear on the daily. You can pair these with your western outfits, with your ethnic outfits. You can wear it to work as well. And the quality is good enough for you to last very long. The next pair of shoes that I have are giving me glitter in my eyes and I can feel it. It's from MFT Couture again. I paid 510 rupees for these and look at the beauty that they have.
I've personally always been attracted in heels with long tie-ups, and I'm just happy that they are back in trend again. This pair is one of those things that will instantly boost your entire outfit. So if you're wearing these, you don't really have to do much about the rest of the things that you're wearing. This is something that you can love, you can hate, but you cannot ignore.
इसके और कलर्स भी थे आजियो पे and I was really excited about a maroon pair that they had in the same pattern, but that was out of stock then. Might be in stock now, so you can check that color as well because the quality is totally worth the price. So these were not uncomfortable at all, but there's one thing that I would say, that after wearing these, the tie-ups got a little loose and they were falling off. एक दो बार वो गिर गए tie-up, so I had to do it all over again. That's one thing that you might face as well. Apart from that, if you have been looking for a pair of these tie-up wali heels, these are very very good for the price. The next heels that I have are totally in trend. They have been in trend for the last 1.5 years or so, I guess. These are a pair of clear heels from Sneak a Peek again. I ordered size 39 and I paid 704 rupees for the shoes.
I've come across other pairs of clear heels in the past as well from other brands and other platforms, but so far this has been the best in terms of quality because mostly with clear heels they are very dainty, delicate and easy to break, but that is not the case with this one.
मुझे ना इनको देखकर डर लगने लगा था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी अंदर से कि these are going to be very uncomfortable. I'll not be able to walk in these at all. But to my surprise, that did not turn out to be the case. I was able to walk in these, probably because block heel है again. Block heels are saviors, right? इसका even the sole का material is a little cushiony, so that was also I think a plus on. लेकिन because my feet, as I said, are widely set, थोड़ा सा मुझे टाइट हो रहा था. शायद आपको ट्राई ऑन में भी समझ में आएगा. इट्स लुकिंग अ लिटिल टाइट अराउंड द स्ट्रैप एरिया. The next heels are these pairs from Sneak a Peek again. It's got a dark green color. इसमें फिर से वो crocodile जैसा texture है material में overall.
So I paid 553 rupees for these, ordered size 39. The size is a perfect fit. About the prices, I feel that the quality is supreme. The quality for 553 is top notch. If you go to the market to buy something in this quality, in this pattern or this texture, you'll easily have to pay at least 3 times the price that I paid for these. The only issue with me here is that these are proper tall pencil heels, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm not the best person when it comes to being able to walk comfortably in pencil heels.
To balance out the heel of the last pencil heels, I'm going to try to show you something more comfortable and wearable for everyone now. The next pair of shoes are from MFT Couture. It's these black pair of platforms. इसको देख करके आपको शायद थोड़ी घबराहट होगी कि how is she calling these comfortable? But trust me, ये platform heels हैं और block है, तो it's very very comfortable to wear. देखने में शायद लगेगा कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा heel है, but पहनने के बाद it is easy to walk in. I paid 674 rupees for these, and these are definitely something that look way more expensive than the price that I paid for them. इसमें suede material है, it's not well fit, so it's going to look nice in person as well, and it's going to last long. Ankle based strap है to make it more comfortable, और overall इसकी heel बहुत अच्छी है. So if you're somebody who wants to wear heels for the sake of increasing your height, then this is definitely your way to go. काफ़ी अच्छी heel है, और इतनी heel में भी ये comfortable है, which is something very very appreciable. Since most of the heels till now had a matte finish to them, I tried to pick up a couple of glossy heels as well. The next 2 pairs are both from Outright. The first one is this green. It's a beautiful pastel green color.
So I ordered these in size 39, paid 540 rupees for these. The size, as you can see, is a little too loose for me, especially for my right foot. It has taken me reaching adulthood to realize that my right foot is shorter than my left foot. Anyway, about the product, the USP of this product, apart from the color, of course the color is very beautiful, very very different. The fact that it has a wavy or a curvy design at the sides of it makes it really stand out, and it distinguishes it from the rest of the products.
These don't have a very high heel, so it's something that anyone and everyone can carry. Also, मुझे इसको देखकर फिर से लग रहा था कि narrow toes वाला area is going to be uncomfortable because I have very broad feet, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Surprisingly, these were quite comfortable, so it's something that you can totally go for. The next pair of heels are these pastel pink heels from Outright again. Size 39 मैंने order किया. I paid 665 rupees for it. Size perfect fit आ रहा है और इसकी speciality है इसके buckle. तो यहाँ पे at the front portion these have got these buckles.
So the buckles on these make them look very ample and give them a formal touch, but despite of that, it is still very versatile because I had paired these with my salwar kameez suits for my Amazon suit sets haul and they look just right. They did not look off at all. So these are something that you can play around with, pair with n number of things. I think it's probably because of the color. The color is very girly, very feminine and something that will suit with most things.
And I've worn these the most out of everything in the lot today because they are very comfortable, so you can totally go for it if you like them. The last pair of shoes are these nude heels from Mark Loy. I'm forgetting the price, so I'm going to place the price somewhere over here. These are the pair of shoes that I got. It's got a very good suede material. बहुत अच्छी quality का suede material है. Buckles हैं. It's also something that's very comfortable. मतलब heels जैसा लगता ही नहीं इसको पहनने के बाद. Feels like your regular pair of shoes क्योंकि बहुत कम तो नहीं है, मतलब middle length height है heel की, लेकिन block heel है.
So I bought this in size 40 क्योंकि size 39 available नहीं था. I bought this and all the other things during the Diwali sale and the prices were so good. Specifically of this one, the price was so affordable that I didn't want to let go of it just because I was getting a size bigger than my usual size. But it turns out that size 40 is not made for me. It's a little too loose for me, especially around the front portion. It's a little too loose. So I'll have to get my hands on a smaller size if I want to wear these. Of course, the color is so beautiful. Nudes go with anything and everything.
This is something very good if you are somebody who likes to wear heels to work. It's going to be comfortable, it's going to look stunning with formals. Even with the dresses and all, it's something that you can totally pair. So these were all the heels in the haul today. I hope you were helped at all. And if at all you liked anything about the video, stay tuned on the channel because I have a lot more similar content planned for the future. Press the subscribe button to stay tuned and to not miss out on anything that I post in the future as well. If you have any suggestions, questions or queries, leave them down below in the comment section or DM भी कर सकते हो मुझे Instagram पे. हमें बड़े मजा आते हैं मेरे Instagram पे. We interact and we talk. I really like interacting with you all over there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy and happy at home and keep your families very healthy and very happy.